If you've ever wondered what it looks like to start a business completely from scratch, I'm about to show you. Hey, my name's Dave, and I am a web designer and digital marketer. I know. There are a ton of us on YouTube, and it seems like every one of them is trying to sell their services and say how great they are, and they can bring you in so many more clients. This is not what this video series is about. I am going to actually put my money where my mouth is. In this video series, I'm going to build my own home service business from scratch. I'm going to document the entire process. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm going to provide helpful tips and tricks along the way, and I'm going to share everything with you, the good, the bad, and everything in between. Now, who do I think this video series would benefit? I think it's three groups of people. Let me show you. First, people who have never started a business, but they've always wanted to be a business owner. I'm going to show you what it takes from the idea phase up to working with your first customer. The second group that I think would benefit from this are business owners that are new. They've gone through, they've set up their business, they're working with customers. Now they're looking to expand, to get the phone ringing more, to get more customers. I think you're going to find this information very valuable. And finally, for veteran business owners who might have been in business for 5, 10, 20 years, they've got a successful business, they've got a team. Now they're looking to maybe expand their territory, expand their team. That's what I plan on doing with this home service business. So I'm going to share with you what I'm learning and the successes and failures. So hopefully that will be valuable. Now, I apologize in advance for the video editing. I am not a video editor. I'm a web designer and digital marketer, okay? So you're not going to see Mr. Beast style video transitions. Hopefully the value that I provide in this series will overshadow the fact that I'm just sharing my screen. Okay? So if you're as excited as I am to start this journey, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified the next time I drop a video. I'm super excited to take you on this journey with me. I'll see you in the next video.